you with all the reactions of this and that and all of these. Are these metals so useful that boring us with all your talks? They are very useful. Look around you, almost everything is made up of a metal. Let's see the uses of metal. I'll give you proof of that. Metals are used for a large number of purposes. Some of the uses of metals are given below. Let's start. Only some are given below. The first thing, the reason why you can watch television, watch my video, or see everything, electricity is made up of wires. If those wires were not there, electricity would have been very hard to transport. So, as metals are good conductors, coppers and aluminium metals are used to make wires. So, that's it? No. Look around you, all the vessels. If you're eating something right now, it probably would be in a metal plate or something like that. Iron, copper, and aluminium metals are used to make household utensils and factory equipment. And what's all? Zinc is used to galvanize iron to protect it from rust. The reason why most of your household articles do not rust is because zinc is used to galvanize it. So hence iron, even if it is used as a bucket, it does not rust. Why? Because it is already galvanized. Chromium and nickel are used to electroplate metals. Why? Because they are very lustrous and very least reactive. And they are also used in manufacturing stainless steel. If you're wearing a watch right now, just check the back of your watch. It would be made of stainless steel. It would either be written stainless steel or SS back, that is stainless steel back. Check it. Let's move on to something more. Silver and gold metals are used to make jewelry. If you're wearing a gold chain or maybe a gold ring or earrings or anything for that matter, it is made up of gold or silver. Or even platinum, platinum is a metal. So mercury is used in thermometer. If you can check how hot it is during the summers, it is because you're using the thermometer. The mercury expands very quickly, so that property is used in the thermometer to check the temperature. So these are the various uses of metals. Now, even more uses are lead metal is used in making car batteries. So even that. Now, if you're thinking only metals are useful, then sir, why non-metals? Why are we studying non-metals? Non-metals are evenly useful. They are as useful as metals. The important uses of non-metals, the only important uses I'm mentioning. The first is hydrogen is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil. When vegetable oils are hydrogenized, they form vegetable ghee. The ghee or vanaspati which you see around you is probably because hydrogenation of oil. Hydrogen is used in manufacture of ammonia, whose compounds are used as fertilizers. If it was not for this ammonia, that is NH4, you would be eating nothing, I suppose. Because, if the farmers don't grow food, what will you eat? Carbon in the form of graphite is used for making the electrodes of electrolytic cells and dry cells. What are these? Electrolysis. We've studied electrolysis in chapter 3. We are going to study more of it in chapter 3. We have studied electrolysis in chapter 2. We are going to study it further in chapter 8 also. Nitrogen is used in the manufacture of ammonia, nitric acid and fertilizers. I already said NH4. It means nitrogen is also used. Nitric acid, which is very important acid. It is the most strongest acid. If you ever heard the word Tezab, what is Tezab? Nitric acid. And also used in fertilizers. Due to its inertness, nitrogen is used to preserve food materials. If you ever had a packet of chips, if you ever wondered why the packet of chips of Lay's or something else has so much air in it, it is because when you break open it, if there was oxygen, it would react with the oil and turn it rancid, and the taste would be very foul. No one wants that, right? So every food company puts Nitrogen because it is inert and does not react with oil or maybe in fats. Sulfur is used as a fungicide and in making of gunpowder. Yes, making of gunpowder and vulcanization of rubber. So almost all metals and non-metals are used. The more abundant the metal, the more its uses. If it is present, people are going to find a use of that. More of this chapter in the next module.